It's such a joy to have a baby. I wish one day I too could have this blessing. I really hope that I could be blessed with the same joy and happiness. I've tried but failed repeatedly. I'm feeling really depressed and miserable to go through this alone.
You are not alone, dear. I know how you feel about your worries and anxieties. Every woman wishing to have a baby needs help, and I'm here to support you through the journey. I wish you the best, and I hope your dream comes true. Concevoir, nature's blessing for the infertile,